So just taking a quick look at Byte then on our hourly time frame for another little daily update. As we can see, we are basically looking like we're bottoming out in this nice big area of demand here for Byte. You can see this area here is where we have been basically having most of our price action. Pretty much what happened previously is we did something very similar where we had a nice little demand zone like this. We came up, down, broken out of our resistance back test, run up, form a resistance breakout, run up, form a resistance breakout and run up. You can see forming this big fat resistance line up here as well, which we have been adhering to really nicely actually. We were going up in a little bit of a channel to the upside looking something like this, but we did break down from this and continue looking for support. And lo and behold, we've come down into this pretty much this area where I was talking about before, this big area of structure and demand down here for Byte. As you can see, since we've come down to around this 1,500th of a whatever zone here, we've been going sideways, bouncing, and you can see just starting to see the basically the elements of breaking out here. Once we do start to see this moving up, I think we're going to start seeing a pretty quick move to the upside for Byte. You can see it very clearly on this chart every single time that we've broken out of these prolonged resistances. We've had a big move. You can see we're clearly breaking out of this resistance now, finding an area of accumulation and consolidation for support. And I do think once we start to see some bullish move to the upside for a lot of meme coins, we are seeing some start to move at the minute. I do think when Byte starts to move here, we're going to be looking at heading up to a new all-time high pretty damn soon. Right now, we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next, but you can cleanly see this breakout of this resistance here. And now really just waiting for that spring to the upside to start moving up through our resistances, heading up for probably a 5 or a 10x from these current prices to a new all-time high over the next few months. So